Happy Tuesday, everyone. Let's start with the story for the next few days to close out the work week. It is a beautiful day outside today. It's pretty warm. We have some upper level clouds. Cloudy conditions are going to be around for the majority of today, but a big warm up is expected tomorrow into Friday afternoon. We could be seeing the potential for record-breaking temperatures all over the Northeast. I'm talking 70s and 80s as well, possible even in the Plymouth region on Friday. We'll talk about that in just a bit, but it's finally going to feel like summer just for a short amount of time this week before the temperatures cool on down into next week. Current temperatures right now across the board, we have mid to upper 40s in the Plymouth regions, already down to 50 south of Concord, down to the southern parts of New England, down by Boston as well, stretching out to Connecticut and Rhode Island. We have 40s in the higher elevations here, but we have some little patches of mid to upper 50s in the valleys of Vermont and New Hampshire as well. These temperatures today are expected to be the mid to upper 60s, so I'm expecting a pretty large scale warm up across the board in the next few hours or so. On the satellite and radar, winds out of the northwest, some upper level clouds moving on through, maybe a spotty shower in some places throughout the day today, but I'm expecting little to no accumulation, just some light rain showers. Turn on that windshield wiper, kind of just brush off the raindrops while you're driving to and from work. The Futurecast calls for the clear out of clouds by Thursday, but I'm also expecting some wind gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour by around 11 a.m. on your Wednesday. So the Wednesday commute might be a little rough out there if you're driving on the highway. Your car might be moving back and forth a bit as the wind gusts move on through, but those should kind of just settle down and scatter by the afternoon hours off into your Thursday. And Thursday and Friday, those are going to be the two best days of the week. I'm talking sunshine, not a lot of clouds out there, and it's going to be warm, 70s and 80s. Let's look at the future temperatures right now. This is by 4 p.m. today. 70s already in Boston, mid to upper 60s, stretching down to New York and New Brunswick, New Jersey. And watch how we approach tomorrow. It's going to be a little cooler with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s here, but 70s are still possible down in the southern parts of New England for your Wednesday. And then Thursday is going to be the best day for us here, as well as Friday. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, 78 in Boston. Could be looking at 80s in some places as well. Albany 75 degrees. But the coast is going to be a lot cooler. Temperatures just in the mid to upper 60s. Portland 61 degrees. Bangor 62. Could even be 50s on some of those more coastal towns, and that's quite unfortunate for those who are having a sea breeze. We have a nice cold ocean still. There's still temperatures in the low to mid 40s as you approach the Gulf of Maine here, and that's going to keep those temperatures on the coast nice and cool. But head inland 15, 20 miles or so, temperatures are going to feel like May or June for the remainder of Thursday into Friday as well. Slight cool off Thursday night, temperatures in the 60s in the Boston area before we're going to see temperatures potentially near 80 degrees on your Friday. Now, why is this bad for those who want to swim, right? I mean, it's warm out there. We have temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Why can't I take a cool off in the Pemmy River or lakes nearby? Well, check out these temperatures. Mid to upper 30s and 40s across the board. That is not good for swimming. Hypothermia could happen in just minutes if you're submerged in those waters. So be extra safe out there. Maybe put your feet in the water, things like that. But I wouldn't suggest swimming, at least in northern parts of New England. Even the ocean is still very cold, so wear a wetsuit if you're going to go surfing or just try to cool off from the warmer temperatures. Let's track the next 7 days. There's that warm up like I was talking about. 75 on Thursday. Could be talking 80s as well on Friday. We have a cool off though Saturday into Sunday. Then Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, cloudy and rainy. Let's hope that changes a little warmer. Maybe put some sunshine in there as the forecast changes across the next few days. But we have a beautiful 7 days ahead of us. My name is Tommy House. I am a student meteorologist here at Plymouth State University, proudly serving you with PM weather. Have a great day.